Merthyr Tydfil College, we have the Inspire to Achieve team, which is part of the wellbeing team. The team work with learners directly to help remove barriers that they face in regards to their learning and maybe preventing them coming into college.
Some of the issues the Inspire to Achieve team deal with are financial issues, wellbeing issues, low-level mental health issues, all the way up to the more serious things, child sex exploitation and any issues dealing with police and social services.
Big thing I wanted to work on was my social skills. I was very anxious. If I didn't have that support, I'd be unemployed, I wouldn't be in college, I'd be very isolated. I probably wouldn't be here or as healthy as I am now, and that's all down to the help from the support team.
The work that we do is trying to instill hope in people who've been made to feel hopeless throughout their lives. We try really hard to make them know that they can achieve something and their time in college is enjoyable and that they feel safe.
To be nominated for the St David's Award is a massive achievement for Merthyr College and for the Inspire to Achieve team. We're all very, very proud that we've been recognised for the work that we deliver and that the learners as well are being recognised as receiving outstanding support.